In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Udemy lecture timestamp link on desktop. Udemy's desktop site doesn't offer a built-in way to create a link that starts a video at a specific time, unlike platforms such as YouTube. There's no Share at this time button, and the URL won't include a timestamp parameter. But you can still point someone to the exact moment you want them to watch by combining a direct lecture link with a clear timestamp. Here's how to do that smoothly and clearly. First, play the lecture and pause at the exact moment you want to share. Look at the time shown on the player. Note it down precisely, using hours, minutes, and seconds if needed, like 12:34 or 01:02:15. That timestamp is what you'll communicate. Then copy the lecture link from your browser's address bar. When Udemy opens a lecture, it loads on its own page, so the link you copy there points directly to that specific lecture. Paste that link into your message, and right next to it, include simple guidance such as Start at 12:34. This won't make the video auto-start at that time, but it gives the recipient an exact cue to jump to. If you're sharing with someone who also has access to the course, consider using Udemy's Notes feature. While watching, add a note at the moment you want to highlight. Udemy records the timestamp on that note, so the time is saved alongside your comment. You can reference that timestamp in your message or share the note details if your collaboration workflow allows. This adds clarity since the timestamp is tied to a specific moment you bookmarked. A few practical tips help this process go smoothly. Always copy the link while the lecture is open in the player, not from the course landing page. In your message, include the lecture title or number along with the timestamp so the person can confirm they're in the right place. If the moment depends on on-screen visuals, a short description like "Start at 12:34 to see the array setup" helps them know they found the correct point. If possible, test your message by opening the link in a new browser session and scrubbing to the time you wrote, just to verify the timing and context still make sense. That's it. Even though Udemy doesn't natively support time-coded URLs on desktop, pairing a direct lecture link with a clear timestamp, and optionally a note, is a reliable way to guide someone to the exact moment you want them to watch.